8 June. President invites Modi to form new government serving in tomorrow. India Parliamentary Party elects Modi as its leader. Release hand over letter of support to President, evoking the spirit of a coalition government. Modi says he will strive to ensure consensus in all decisions in this trade. Third success, successive term as the PM. Above all, Prime Minister Narendra Modi pays respect to the Constitution at the NDA Parliament Party meeting on Friday. RBI keeps repo rate unchanged. This says GDP forecasts forecast to 7.2. Splash of color. Picture perfect. Rainbows light up the Bengaluru sky. Flowing rain on Friday evening. Two cattle transporters lynched in Chhattisgarh. Four Maharashtra medical students drowned in Russia's volcano river. Status in parliament relocated to Delhi. Opposition a palace to protest. A status of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj being relocated within parliament as part of the redevelopment project. Not invited to India bloc meeting in Delhi, unhappy at being ignored. RLP chief. MP election for Nagaur. Hanuman Beniwal say Congress should not forget that his party had a role to play in winning 11 seats in Rajasthan. Dispels rumors of leaving election to join BJP leader India. The RLP chief pointed out the way he got there. Lucky vote of the Congress. 20 lakh RLP votes went to the Congress. BJD leader VK Pandian's wife goes on leave. MNS decides not to contest Maharashtra MLC election. Percentage of Nota vote dips notably. Recess in the northeast. Rajasthan Woodgate. Government employees seek insurance on OPS. SC nod for release of film after the election of Delogui. BJP's double engines develops a sing in UP as party reviewed the small poll performance in the open air service of gross that have surfaced said after the poll result gave credence to conspiracy theories which suggested that the two engineers are on collision course. The center is notional the status the real entities entities remolding the global plastics trade trade letter to the editor where the BJP underperformed in UP. Akhilesh Yadav alternative social engineering formula vary among votes that the constitution will be changed polarization and for performance of MPs all contributed to the BJP's loss. Time, time to rejoice. Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi at a joint election rally in Kannauj. Right, BJP supporters celebrate Narendra Modi's victory from Varanasi. Decoding the BJP as sweep in Odisha. Congratulations Modi ji. Sand artist sand artist Sudarshan Patnaik. Congratulations Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his victory in Odisha. Modi, Naidu and Pawan Kalyan in Vijayawada. A reality check in Maharashtra. A successful social alliance in Andhra. The smart police of the Trinamool. BJP expands presence in TN but fails to force a major shift. With strong campaigning and outreach efforts, BJP made its presence fail in Tamil Nadu yet it remains uncertain whether it can decisively alert the political landscape as it has not been able to consolidate support from any specific social group. Strong performance. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and DMK Chief M.K. Stalin campaigning in Chennai. In threat to Congress, BJP gains from BRS loss in Telangana. Extraordinary ascendance of BJP in Madhya Pradesh. NDA holds ground in Bihar but vote share dips. Modi is a majoritarian majoritarian PM who has to work without a majority. The NDA today is a coalition of contradictions, say senior RJD leader. He said the parties of the India bloc will impact the political arena more powerful in the coming days as there has been a revival of the collection in politics, stressing that people from almost even every community have voted for the RJD in Bihar. The Rajya Rajya Sabha MP say such social inclusiveness in part of the party's NDA. Parliament security breach, Delhi police fair charge sheet. Modi lays stress on consensus at NDA meet. JDU leader Nitish Kumar promises unswerving support for Modi, said he believes everything Bihar requires will be done. TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu acknowledges the role of BJP leader in Andhra Pradesh victory. Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde hails Fevicol bond between Sena and BJP. Grand start BJP leader Rajnath Singh, JP Nada, Narendra Modi and Amit Shah with Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar and Pawan Kalyan at NDA's Parliament Party meeting on Friday. Modi meets Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi to speak out against centre's wage. Rahul to PM as Rahul Gandhi with Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy CM DK Shivakumar on Friday. Vivari of BJP's tickets. Aditya warns TDP JDU. Sheikh Hasina to be first of praying leaders to arrive for Modi's oath taking event. Playa in SC6 probe into post poll market crash. 200 evacuated from Manipur's Jirebam district amid tension. Congress parliamentary party to elect leader today. Two cattle transporters killed in mob attack in Chhattisgarh. The families of the victims, all from Uttar Pradesh, said the attack took place at Arang, Arangnagar near Rajpur. The police are waiting to record the statement of a man who is in hospital with ser- serious serious injuries. The truck was on its way to Raipur from Masamund district in Chhattisgarh. Prajwal's mother gets interim bail appear before probe time. Don't see myself contesting another LS election. Thorough. Delhi court denies bail to Kejriwal aides for second time. 38% Trinamool Congress and he get proportion of women to allies in 2024 polls. As he monitored probe needed into NEET irregularities, Congress Onion and now repay case court reject ex BJP leader Pulia. Rajkot Gaming Arcade free a target for a throttled. Rajkot Gaming Arcade fire a tragedy for a told. The project that gutted a multi-level recreation center killed 27 people in the latest in a string of accidents in Gujarat over the past 5 years. 5 years due to lack of stringent enforcement of building rules and safety norms. The mishaps ignite laxity of official and alleged graft in the state local bodies funds. Mahesh Langa. Reeling for shock. Relative with a picture of Jignesh Gadvi, who was one of the 27 people who died in the fire at the gaming zone that had no fire fighting equipment. Right, a Dravid woman wished for her relative's body outside the morgue of hospital in Rajkot. Initial investigation revealed that around 60 infants ran from a 5 day to a couple couple of year old originally from Delhi and Pune have been traffic, trafficked in the two Telugu-speaking states over the past three three-year photo used for representational workforce. Babies, bargains, and break accuracy. Lord's lives and livelihood. Dead fish found floating in a kage farm at Sapokodau near Kannalore in Kochi on May 21. Kage farmers were getting ready to harvest premium varieties such as pearl sport so as to earn a profit during the traveling ban when when the fish dead. Fish kill sport legates ponds of prayer demanding answer. Environmental activities block the pollution control board chair, chairman weekly in Illinois in protest against the mass fish kill. They blame the release of untreated effluents from industrial units on the Illinois radar route for the incident. RBI regional GDP review augurs will strengthen Druvala. However, the select revision in GDP growth forecast to 7.2 is still lower than Bob's forecast of 7.3 से 3 to 7.4% for FY25, says the bank chief economist Madan Sabna wage rate cuts likely in October. Sensex climbs 2.2% to record after RBI lifts GDP forecast. Digital payment intelligence platforms sun to curb trend. EY honors TIS William Subbiya collection. Government lays stability to slow decision making. Collection may hit medium term fiscal consolidation. Environment tech teach startups funding on risk trackers. Ascend Fed Government seeks industry inputs to up demand which SEBI to allow MFS Unwave new product on GD swaps. NHI floats EOI for satellite based tooling. Textile sector hails QCO relaxation. Dubai. Yemen's Shia Houthi replace the line 11 UN employees. Officials say Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia destroy nearly 140 hours of save nomad. Tokyo, Japan broadcast protest over China visuals near dis- disputed lands. Port Sudan, 40 killed in shelling near Khartoum, say Sudan activists. There is no such thing as president of the Taiwan region. China embassy. Taiwan is an inland inalienable party of China's territory. The government in Beijing is the sole legal government per- purpose- purpose. The whole of China said the embassy in Delhi days after the self-ruled Iceland's leader congratulated Prime Minister Modi as war interest. Ninth month is Israel funds Gaza refugee camp. Trump wants appellate court to reverse his conviction. Protest for basic need. Right to live. Personnel of Argentina police black and anti-government protest against fraud security in Buenos Aires. Biden apologizes to Zelensky for holding up military aid. Russia, Russia's economy is growing even after sanctions, says Putin. South African opposition to discuss ANC's unit plan. South Korea's migrant worker scheme triggers allegations of modern slavery. The scheme launched by Seoul to plug its severe labor shortage promises migrant workers 5 to 8 months of work and a hefty amount of salary, but many say they were tricked, abused, and had to return empty-handed. More than 3,500 Philippines have been restricted since 2022. Beijing's action against Philippine vessels threaten global security. Sweden annual gets coming together. The Snake Moon collective fishing raids insane in the Segor region of Mali. The rite commemorates the founding of the town of San and marks the beginning of the rain season. Thousands take part in the race, which lasts for 15 hours. Deadly land mines, a press theater to civilians in Libya's capital city. A self-assured Hardik bodes well for India. The all-rounder hit the ground running with a three-wicket haul against Ireland. The Mumbai Indians skipper says he is happy to start the tournament on a good note. England need to fire on all cylinders against Australia. Canada holds its nerve shocks Ireland. Mental scars will remain for Pakistan after USA game Sidhu Netrawalkar living the dream as the toast of the cricket world. Alcaraz out Bulls senior to race French Open final. Is Gautam Gambhir the right man to take India's reins? Cole Palmer star continues to race with Cole its effortless slow play down shift to the side chops with fake shot. You can see the instant strength away in a player. He is one of the best in the 5A side. Pete Foden. Manchester City attacking midfielder. Picture this game theory. Lethal surf supporters Spain and Italy. Goods and grit.